What have I done? This is a nightmare. It's all my fault. Now because of me, we've lost Alex.
Well, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna find a way to help him. That's what we're gonna do.
Now this is more like it.
You? Oh, man, where are the people?
We killed them and ate their livers. Gotcha, didn't I? Just kidding, doll. The people are fine. They're on a slow life boat to China. Hey, I know you two. There's that psychotic and our monochromatic friend.
Marty? He's right. Where did he go? He was right behind us.
Oh, 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 oh! Alex! Come out, Alex! The boat's here! We can go home! Alex! Marty? Snap out of it, Alex. The boat came back. We can get out of here. And we can go back to civilization, and everything will be just like it used to be.
Stay back. Please.
Alex, you're my friend. We're a team. You and me, remember?
I don't want to hurt you.
Alex? Could you come out here for a minute? Hey, Alex, little help. Ah! Help me!